is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Ri Marie.
And I'm Qui, and today we have a very interesting video. Me and Ri decided to do a bag swap. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so first of all, let's start by saying this. We have a lot of the same bags, but we also have a lot of different bags. Like, she likes camera bags and just kind of like dressier bags, and she likes smaller bags. I'm kind of the opposite, so I tend to go for either bigger bags or kind of like medium-sized bags, which this one is a medium size. So I was just like, you know what? This is on my wish list. Let me borrow your bag. So she was like, well, let me borrow your bag. And then
that's how their purse swap started.
Hence the purse swap. And we ended up keeping each other's bags for about, what, a month?
A month. So tell me, which purse did you decide to get?
I chose the Speedy Bandolier 25.
And I chose the Pochette Metis.
Okay,
name is so weird. It's so weird.
Okay, so why did you choose the Pochette Metis?
Okay, so for me, when I saw her wearing this bag, I was like, oh my god, it's so freaking beautiful. And who doesn't love Louis Vuitton? I am infatuated with the canvas, the print, everything about this bag was bombfn.com. So I just wanted to get it out of your collection. Okay,
and I wanted to get this bag out of her collection because this is actually a bag that is on my wish list. The Speedy B 25 in the exact same print. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and snatch that up. And yeah, that's what we did.
Seriously, look at it. It's just so beautiful. It has a top handle. It has the long strap. It has 3 compartments, plus it has like a little zipper pouch in the back. So I was like, listen, I need this bag, and I'm so happy that I chose it.
Okay, so what I liked about this bag was that it was small enough to carry a lot of items, and the fact that you can wear it multiple ways. You can wear it top handle, you can wear it crossbody. It did have a strap on it. So you can wear it crossbody or a shoulder bag. So I really like that.
Ooh.
Oh, and it's carefree. I didn't have to worry about any vaqueta. So I was just like, okay, I like that.
It's super carefree. I just be throwing it everywhere. So what would you say would be the cons of the Speedy?
You know how a bag is like super hyped up and you be like, I need that bag? That's how I felt about this bag. I wanted this bag to hold my toiletry pouch 19 comfortably, along with my mini pochette, and then everything else that I would like to keep in my bag. I wanted to be able to keep that in here, but it did not fit comfortably because of the opening is super tiny. If it was a situation where I actually wanted to change my makeup bag, then this would be like no problem. Or if I wasn't taking my makeup. But I mean, if my purse is this big, I need my makeup bag.
Yes, definitely. And then for me, the cons of this purse. So in the front, there is like the clasp that's right here. And I am the type of person that when I'm going somewhere, I do like the zipper because you literally can zip it closed. Yeah. But for this, it kind of took me some time to actually get the clasp inside
of the little hole.
The little... So silly. So it took me some time to actually get this closed. So when I would be on the go, she had to like yell at me so many times because her purse would just be open. I just didn't feel
girl, close my bag.
It just took too long. So that was one of the cons of it. So I was just upset. And not only that, but I could not take any snacks into the movie theaters with this purse. I was so mad. My pop couldn't fit, my snacks couldn't fit, and I was like, oh no. So I feel like that's a major con because our favorite pastime is the movies. And also with my makeup bag, it couldn't fit into one compartment. So I literally had to take everything from my makeup bag and I split it up into
Where is your makeup bag? Do you want to show them your makeup bag?
Yeah, so let me grab my makeup bag real quick.
And this is the makeup bag. As you can see, it's really puffy. And I'm just going to slide that down in there. And when I do that, it makes the inside of the bag really wonky, and it's nothing else in here. With nothing else in there, it will close, but once you stuff the rest of the items in, it is really, really, really bulky.
So that brings me to the next question. Would you purchase this bag since you've used mine for a month?
I'm not opposed to getting this bag as a gift, but I'm not purchasing it.
And it's one of my favorite bags. But you know what? I guess
do like the bag. Don't get me wrong. I like the bag, but I feel like the opening is
small.
like so small.
It is small.
That it's just like, man, like the reason why I really wanted this bag is because I was just like, man, it's gonna be small enough to fit like everything that I need. But then it's like you put everything you need in it, and then it's like my makeup bag don't fit. Like, what's the point?
That's so true. That's true. And then for me, I would have to say, and I guess this is a great thing about switching. Like, I wouldn't purchase this anymore. Because for one, the price is ridiculous. For one, it's extremely expensive. And not only that, but this closure will be the freaking death of me. Like, I don't, it's like when I go around and it's open, I just feel like somebody be like stealing all my stuff because it's open. So yes.
And I feel like it's such a pretty bag.
It is beautiful. It's such a beautiful
and
bag.
And also, like, in my older age, like, I'm not in a rush anymore.
I do.
Like, I used to be in a rush. I used to be like, I used to be in the checkout line, like, oh my god, like, let me hurry up and throw my money in here. Now I'd be like, Chick, you better wait. Give me a minute.
So silly.
I do. I'm like, listen, I'm about to close my bag. I ain't rushing out this line. Give me a minute.
She is like that. And I'm I'm carefree. I just feel like I want something I could just close immediately, that I could just toss on my seat and go. So yes.
And she was tossing my bag. So I don't know if we'll do this anymore.
We have to. It's one more bag that I want to get out of her collection. I want to get the backpack.
You're gonna love the backpack.
Yep.
You know what? I kind of was feeling the same way about the Pochette Metis as well. But then I was just like, you know what? I really didn't buy the bag for the functionality. I really bought the bag because I feel like it is beautiful.
It is beautiful.
It is literally a beautiful bag. And for me, it's not too many bags that I see and be like, oh, like that bag is gorgeous.
Yeah.
And you feel that when you wear the Pochette Metis.
Yeah, when I was wearing it, I felt like I was the bomb. So
yeah, you be like,
you know,
what?
That's how I felt.
Yeah, you feel like that.
So I guess you guys, this was like a great thing to do. So if you do have a friend that has a bag that you want, try a purse swap. You may find out that you love the purse,
or you hate it.
Or you hate it.
It's not worth your coin,
yeah.
But okay, you might find that out. Okay guys, so that is the end of our video. But before we let you guys go, we gotta send our shout out. And our shout out today is going to be LaloLloyd.
Hey.
Give him a round of applause. Hey Lloyd. He is the person who actually makes a lot of our beats. On our intro, you hear a beat playing. It's actually him that did that beat. He's done a couple of our other beats. He is thebomb.com. So if you are a YouTuber or you just need beats or anything like that, he could personalize something for you. He also sings and raps. He is so dope. We'll leave his information down below. And yeah, until next time, don't forget to say chic. Me and the sissy decided to do
Sissy.
Okay, come on, let's do it.
Sissy.
Come on, let's get this knocked out. Let's knock this out.
Okay. Do it. Put your back into.
Come on.
Oh.